Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the case and AirPods. Make sure the case has some charge or an indicator light. Plug a lightning cable into the case or place the wireless case on a Qi charger. You should use a stable power outlet or a powered USB port. Avoid charging in very hot or cold conditions. Once connected, watch the status light for charging confirmation, and keep the case closed to prioritize charging the earbuds before proceeding to the next steps. Once charging has begun, monitor progress by checking the case status light and your device. If you hold the case near your iPhone and open the lid, you'll see precise battery percentages. The amber light means charging, while green means fully charged. You can also add the battery's widget for continuous monitoring. Make sure to let the case charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes for a meaningful boost. And if the AirPods remain in the closed case, they'll charge first, then the case will top up. To finish, confirm both AirPods and the case are charged by checking your device display, then remove the AirPods and test audio quickly. If charging fails, inspect and gently clean the metal contacts inside the case and on the earbuds, and try a different cable or charger to isolate the issue. If readings or connections seem incorrect, restart your phone and ensure firmware is up to date. A reset of the AirPods can resolve persistent problems once you've ruled out cable or power faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.